Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Expert Value Train YouTube channel. My name is Babu Rao. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the multiple registrations for a company, how to record them. Okay. And before entering into the topic, I request you, everyone entering into my channel and watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel without fail and also hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all. You'll get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel, and also share the channel with all the others also. Okay. Now, another very more important item thing is, everyone, please watch every video till the end. If you miss in the middle, if you skip in the middle, you will understand the topic up to that point only. The balance topic or subject you will not understand and you will not know. So this will be like half knowledge. It is a waste of time, nothing more than that. So watch every video till the end, and if you want to watch two, three, more than once also, you will get a very good knowledge regarding this topic. And also, you take the examples or illustrations given in that video, you work out them in Tally Prime on your board for many number of times, so you will get the expert knowledge. Okay, now, and also after after watching the video fully, if the video is good, you please like the video. If you like the video, YouTube people will share this video with a lot of people so that many people can watch this video and learn this topic. Okay, now we will enter into the topic. Here, generally, a company will be opened and it will get registration in a state and it will make the entries. So I created the company and everything I did. So if you go to voucher, you purchase, so we'll enter the purchase. So the serial number will be one. And if you sell the goods, you will sell the goods, you will make the entries. And for this sales voucher and all these things, only one company, this is only one company, transactions of a company are recorded. So in the case of all others, you can use the same voucher numbers, and for purchases you can use the same voucher number, and only voucher number, not invoice. But the invoice given by the sellers, the invoice number we have to enter here. In the case of sales, the sales invoice number itself is the voucher fee. The voucher number itself is the invoice number. So like this we will method. And if you want for the sales voucher only, you can create a special format, numbering format, so that in the last video we learned that. So that special numbering format will work, creating that will work only for this company. Okay. Sometimes a company, same company, that is with the same name, it can have business or branches in many other states. In such a case, they have to get registration in every state. But the company name is the same, only one. But the registration are many. In such case, instead previously we have to create a company for each registration. For each registration, we have to create a company. But now, in the case of the same, in the previously, whether it is a different name or same name, we have to create a separate company. But now, for different names, different registrations, there is no other alternative. We have to create a new company for each one. But in case the same company has different registrations, multiple registrations in many states, one in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, another Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Delhi, Punjab, like that. So for each one, every company name is the same, but registration is only different. In such a case, so in the same, the company name is same. So when you created the first company, in the company itself, we can enter all the registration numbers. That is multiple registration numbers we can enter. And if we enter the multiple registration numbers, so we can record the transaction for all the different multiple registrations. For that purpose, we require separate address for each registration. We require address because in the sales invoice, the address is required. So for each and every registration, a separate address is required, a separate address is required. And also, so the serial number, if it is take, we start with one, say sales number. default number will be 1. So it will continue. So if you take even multiple registrations, this number will continue. For example, in Telangana registration, if you enter the sales voucher 1, 2, 3, 4, then you change the registration, go to Andhra registration, then it will continue with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 is completed. Now it will start with 5. So every registration will not start separately with 1. So the numbers will be continued. It is a problem. With continued numbers cannot be continued for different decisions. They must have different series, different the number should continue from 1 for every registration. For that purpose, we have to create multiple series, that is the registration series we have to create. So multiple register on each multiple registration, we have to create multiple, enter the multiple GST number, then we have to enter the multiple address, and also we have to create multiple GST, multiple voucher numbering, that is called as unique voucher numbering series. That is unique series for the vouchers. So we have to create unique series differently for that. So for each series, we start with 1. So in one voucher, in one company, one registration, the number will be done. And in another company to start again with that. So both will be all the companies, all the registrations, we have different numbers. So that is what to do. How to do, we have to do. We have to know. So that's why, first of all, what you do, I created the company. So this is the company, multi registrations. So the company creation is the same. After creating the company, we will go to features. So now it is already created. So I have to click F11. So we'll go to company features. So multiple registrations in the company. So what you have to do? So maintain accounts, invoice entry, we have to make, yes, it is compulsory. And we deal with inventory also. So inventory features too. One is maintain inventory, integrate accounts with inventory. So both these we have to create. And then before going to the GST, enable goods and services tax, it is to be enabled for all the companies. So for enabling the GST, goods and services tax, for all the multiple registrations, first of all, we have to create an address, because in the multiple registration details, we have to give the address also. We have to give address also, because the different multiple registrations now. But because if we don't give the address, so the default address, that is of the main company or the default company, that is called as primary company, created first in Telangana. So the same address should be given to all the registrations. It is not correct. So for each registration, will be in a different state. So that address should be there. For that, we have to create, first of all, we have to create the different addresses. Then we have to enter that will take, address will be taken, and we have to enter the multiple registrations. And after that, we have to create the multiple unique voucher numbering. So go to this one, in this case, go to the last others, enable multiple addresses. Create, yes. Okay, yes, we create. So first of all, will be the company name. Address type means address. Where is the address type? Means the address belonging to different registrations. First one is primary. Primary means the original company, that is the main company created in Telangana. If you click that, you see company, address, the PIN code number, all of the details also we have to do. This is completed. And then we go to the second one. The company name is the same. Company name is the same. Company name is the same. I will copy that. Then we'll go to the second one. So we'll go to the second one. So for example, this is the Telangana. Second one, you will get Andhra Pradesh. That is, you can call it as AP address. AP address, we have to give company name is the same. AP address, and I have given the make a note for the addresses. So open addresses I created. See here. For Andhra Pradesh, the address is for Andhra Pradesh, this is Miyapur, that is the main address, that is the default address, that is the primary address. Then Gandhinagar, Vijayawada. So the address is Gandhinagar, then Vijayawada. Okay. Then PIN code number is 5251488. 5251488. Whatever it may be, all the details we will go. Accept. So we'll go to the next one. So next one we will create. Telangana is created, Andhra Pradesh is created. Tamil Nadu, TN address. TN address. TN address will create. So for Tamil Nadu also name is the same. Here given, I think it is for Tamil Nadu it is T Nagar Chennai. So T Nagar you might have heard this name. T Nagar Chennai. So the phone number is 6 lakhs 17. 6 lakhs 17. So this is created. We'll go to the next one. Next Karnataka. AA address. Karnataka address. So for this number is this name is the same. For that one I give address as Gandhinagar, Bangalore. So in Bangalore also there is Gandhinagar. In Hyderabad also there is Gandhinagar. In Vijayawada also there is Gandhi Nagar, then Bengaluru. Bengaluru. Not Bangalore, Bengaluru. So the pin code number I give something. That number is 542358. Okay. 542358 again. So whatever it may be, the number could be. So this is created. So only 4 companies are there. 4 we created, 4 registration. If there is one more, so any number like this, you can create any number of addresses. That is for different states, for different registrations, multiple registrations. You can create multiple addresses. Okay. And after that, it is completed. Now just click it. So this is over. And if directly if you go to now it is completed. Now if you go to the top, click it. So here there is no column for giving address. That is why what you have to do after giving the address, we have to accept after completing this. After completing this, we have to accept this, accept it, then again go to F11. Then again go to F11, go to this one. So here, so multiple registrations, we have given the addresses. Now we have to give the multiple registration numbers. So first of all, Telangana, we will take up this is the primary or main company. So here, address type it will ask you. So for different multiple registrations, we have to give address type, different addresses. Because for every company in every state cannot be the same address in Andhra address. So primary means, so here primary, that is address for the Telangana main company, regular, and here GST number. So GST number for Telangana, I have given this, I have given this, I have given this number. So paste here, then monthly, and here will do easily, and it will no. So you will be invoicing and you will give no. Okay, and then so from here it will come down for accepting. So here we have to create many more registrations. So from here you have to come back, create another GST registration for this company. That will come back like this. Instead of that, what we can do is directly we can come here. So we can take another option that is showing the registration name. This is Telangana means Telangana registration. To show again registration name, Telangana registration, that option you can take. Then this will come here directly. So go to F12. First one is show registration name. Yes. You take yes. Then you take from here. Then it will come here. So registration name. Then come down. That is the entry. It will come to accept. So if you click down arrow. So down arrow. So we have to create another registration. This is the first company. Another registration. Yes. So if we accept this registration details will be accepted and go to the same window again. Again, after accepting, it will go to the same thing. Next one is we will take up Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh address will be AP address. So AP address and everything same. And registration number what for AP? I given this, that is 37 for AP. So 37 I given, and also here. And here also no. And if you come down here, down arrow, again yes, again another one we have to create. Again yes. So now we will take up Karnataka. Now we will take up Karnataka. Bengaluru. So Karnataka we will take up. And the address will be KA address. Okay. KM is Karnataka. And for Karnataka the number is, it starts with 29, and then you will see, and here also do no. Then come down here, down arrow, make yes, and we accept this. And the next one is Chennai, that is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, you will take up, address will be TN address. TN address, no, the number you have to do. For Tamil Nadu, it is 33. So 30 you have taken, complete here. You see here, no. And then come down here. And here, this is the last one. And here, there is no other company, only this. So just click, now it is coming down. Again click, it will go out. Okay. So multiple registration numbers are entered. So addresses are entered, multiple registration numbers are entered. Now I have to do multiple, that is unique, multiple unique numbering series. So it will ask you, see, you can create a unique voucher numbering series. Voucher numbering series to cater to multiple GST exchange. For each, all the GST exchange, you can do unique, separate voucher numbering series, separate series. You can do this by going to the chart of accounts and selecting the relevant voucher type, whatever voucher type you want to do. So if you do yes, it will show you all the voucher types. So you can select shares and we can go and we can do. So we have to do the numbering series for all the registrations so that we can do in another place. So I will just escape and then this is over and accept. This page, this is completed. Now, how you will see now here, we created the series. Now if you go to F11 and go to GST register, you see this. So no company will be that will show. To show the registrations, all the multiple registration numbers. Each one, if we select and click, you can see the details. Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, so details you can see. And Tamil, Telangana, you can see the details, all the details you can see. Okay, it will show like this. Okay, now after this, so we completed the numbers given, we have given the numbers, address, everything, but voucher numbers are not given. So without the voucher numbers, suppose you go to vouchers, go to vouchers, Andhra Pradesh voucher, Andhra Pradesh registration. If you want to change, you can change here. So this is for changing which one you want. So whatever the registration we require. Okay, and here if you take one thing, so just this is the default numbering. One, if you enter a voucher, then you will get two. Again, you enter a voucher in the same Andhra Pradesh. Two number will come. Suppose then, if you change the registration, that should start with again different number. This is 1, 2, and again should start with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. But after this, you change the registration, it will continue. That is after 1, 2, it will continue with 3. So 3, 4, 5. And if you change another registration, and it will start with 6, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. So it is not correct. Two number, every company, the serial number should be serial. That is why for this purpose, we create multiple number series so that for each registration, separate series will be available. Then how to how to create the multiple number series. So in the vouchers only we will create. So go to alter, then go to voucher type. So all the voucher types are shown. All the voucher types are shown. For every voucher, we can do the same thing. We can do the same thing. That is the same method. We can create the serial voucher numbers. That is voucher series. So sales I will show you. We'll take sales, we'll take up. So sales, sales. And here it is showing as automatic. That is numbering will be automatic 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Retain original voucher numbers means there are a lot of numbers. If you delete one number in the middle, all the other numbers will come forward. That is, if there are 10, if delete 5, 6 will become 5, 7 will become 6, like it will move up. Okay, so to prevent that, without changing the numbers, retain original voucher number will be there. The detailed number will show that, yeah, 1, suppose if we select, if you delete 5, 4, then 6 will be there, in between 5 will be missing. So this is the thing. This is this is can be done. And then come here, make it yes. Set all additional numbering details, yes. So this is that is the pro forma, that is number series number. This can be done only for one company we can do. But now you want to do many companies, serial number or the unique series, that is separate series for each registration. In such case here, what you have to do is you have to remove this. This will be available. This will you have to take this at the time of creating the series, that is unique series for each registration. Then we have to take it. How the series should work. So these two we have to take. But here we have to do. We want to create numbering voucher numbering for different, that is multiple number vouchering. For that, what we have to do is here. What we have to do is here. Go to F12. See this. Define multiple numbering series, serial numbers. Series means numbers. So multiple numbering series for vouchers. Make it yes. Make it yes and accept. Now these two are disappeared. They will be available in another place. At the time of making the series, it will ask you how you want automatic, retain the numbers like that. Okay, now so the same thing here. Define multiple the numbering series for vouchers. Make it yes. Now we can go to the numbering vouchers here. We have to create numbering voucher that is series for all the mini registrations. That's why by default it will show default automatic. Default automatic means default numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Those numbers will show. We have to create a series. So create that is not series, serial numbers. So and after creating all, this can be removed, is not required. So now we will go to Telangana. So all these numbers are completed. I will close this. So here I will close it. Now series you have to name of for each series you have to give the first we will give EG series. That means Telangana series. So here it is showing automatic. Retain the original number. Here how to show the form, that is set or alter additional details. Yes, you ask me. So I always start with one, start in the very beginning. So come down. What is the width of the numeric part? That is what of the number of digits. If, depending on our business, you can estimate 4 digits up to 9,999, 3 digits up to 9,999. I will take 3 digits. So here, if you take 3 digits means there is one, only one single number or two numbers. How you will get three numbers, 3 digits? So before that, prefix, before that, 0 can be added. For 1, 0, 0, 2. For 10, 0, 1, 0, like that. So before these numbers, can we add 0? So that is called a prefill with 0. So prefix with 0. The first one will be 0 before the numbers. Till it reach the 3 digits, before the 0 will be prefix. Now, this is general for all the series, for all the vouchers. That is a form, that is 001. Now, 1, 4, 25, 25. Starting with 1 and yearly, we will take a yearly, we will change. Then come here, come this place. 1, 4 again, here, that will be the particular series performer. See here, this is for Telangana, isn't it? This is TG series. So, the TG series, then we do the name of the company, that is name of the registration TG slash, after that you can take the number, and after this is before the number you can put CG, and after the number you can put some other thing. So 25 slash, so sale we can give it as sale or SEL cell. Okay, you can do it like this. So before this DG, then number, and after that cell, it will be like this, or we can put the cell here and number can be entered at the end. So in this case, remove this, come back. So TGS SEL slash TGS slash SEL cell slash, and after that number will get. So after that number will get, after the number will not have anything. So just as if you want to do cell afterwards, DGS TG slash, that's all. Then come here, first chapter 25 slash CSCL cell. So in between these two, number will be there. But here, number will be at 10. So that's a Jackson. So here, TG series. Then you will create AP series. AP series, same thing. Yes, here 1, 3, 4 for one company, one registration, 3 digits. For another, the business is more. For another registration, 4 digits, whatever you want to make. And prefix with with 0, 1, 4, starting with 1 yearly, then 1, 4, 25, and here this is AP. So you take AP slash SEL slash, that's all. Okay, AP Telangana. Then we will take up Tamil Nadu. So TN series you will take, and here automatic, this one, okay, yes, and here 1, 3, I'm taking all 3 only. You can take whatever number you want, that is depending on our requirement. Okay, yearly, and come here 1, 4, and here this is Tamil Nadu. So TN slash SEL slash, after that number you get. Okay, that's all. And then then one more is the Karnataka. So KA series. KA series, automatic, retain the number, yes, and come down 1, then 3 digits, yes, 1455, 1 yearly, and again 1455. This is Karnataka. So take KA/SL. For each voucher, you can do that company name, registration state, as well as the name of the company. Also, you can see payment, EMT, receipt, RCT, purchase, QR, like that, contract, COM, like that you can put. However, so all the 1, 2, 3, 4 created, but this default is not required. Open this, just delete already. Delete this. This is not required. Only these 4, because every time it will show. So these 4 are required. So they are created. Then come back, escape. And here this is not. This is the here still the same thing. Retain original number again. It's showing yes. And not they accept this number. You have to come down, come down, come down. And here statutory details. Here all the registrations are shown. If we select default GST registration, for example, if you select Telangana registration, so every time when you are entering, by default it will take Telangana. So we can make entries. Still we complete all the entries. Telangana registration will be there. But if you change to another registration, other than if you change another registration, so that registration will get closed only for one entry. After one entry, again it will come back to the default registration. Again, you have to select the other portion. So if you want to make two or three entries in another registration, every time after one entry it will come back. Again, you have to select. Again, come back. That's why instead of that, it is selected. You remember in the time numbers in this side, if you select the date column, the date field to enter, that date will be used for one entry only. After it will go back to the last term, the previous date. If you enter the date by using F2, then the date will be always there until we change the date. Okay, that's why I have to select any here and accept. That's all. This is completed. So now, so these multiple registration numbers entered, multiple along with multiple addresses are entered. Now multiple, that is called as unique. Unique means separate numbering series for each registration we have created. Now we will go to vouchers. So here we will take. See here, actually, when we enter, mostly it will be payment voucher will be shown. So registration will be taken as registration. It is in alphabetical order because however you create, the registration numbers will be shown here. See here in the alphabetical order. The name of the company is also. All the names also will be shown. Numbers will be different in alphabetical order. Similarly also here. Similarly, it will take Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana. So it will take by default Andhra Pradesh, the first one. Okay. So it is taking to take vouchers. It's showing Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So payment voucher is taken. So where you have to select two. One is the registration. That registration name is called as name of registration. We have to select the registration name, then the series we have to select. So first go to this side. If you select here, you can it will be different. It will be a little bit problem. So go here, select company registration. Go here. If you want to make entries from Telangana, select Telangana. So Telangana registration selected. Okay. Now that is registration name is selected. Now I have to select the series. So here, for what series you are saying for sales. For this one, making the series will be created for sales voucher. Then go to sales. F8. You go to F8 sales. Then PG Telangana. It is showing by default. It is showing, but actually it is showing some other thing. We have to select. We are going for Telangana only. Telangana series. So here, if you go again, it is going back. So again, you have to be first beginning only. Again select Telangana. So now again it will show Telangana PG registration system. Here we have to see system vertical system default, because whatever number is used till then next number is called the system default. We show no missing number. Similar thing we have to select. So Telangana registration, and from next time onwards, second entry onwards, we can use this only. So registration, Telangana registration, Telangana SEL1. So for example, now we are entering, like we are making the entries for Telangana. See here, sales entry. So first you will take up Telangana, help not traders. Accept. So regular Telangana Tamil Nadu, sorry, this is Tamil Nadu. Here, Telangana, TG. TG we will take a particular. So TG we are selecting, accept. So TG, the name is Telangana regular. Okay, accept sales. So we are selling Dell laptop. It will take minus negative value. Okay, because there is no purchases. Just to show you, I am taking the sales. So two numbers we sold. Laptop 30,000. 30,000, only 60,000. So again, we sold Dell mouses, five numbers we sold, and each one sold negative. It is showing. Don't bother about it. So 500 Dell mouse, you take it as 850 rupees I am taking. Okay. Now see, Telangana registration, Telangana party. So CGST, yeah, GST only. If the Telangana registration, that is from Telangana state, you can sell to some other state also. But whenever you are selling in the states where we have registration, we will sell from them only, from there. So if we are selling to other state, you can sell from, for example, from Telangana, you can sell to Delhi, because there is no registration but India. We don't have Delhi like that. So either local or non-local. Come here, come here. So new reference, the same number. So this is the first one. Again, so now it is coming to second number. PG series Telangana. Registration name Telangana. Series PG series. Now we will go to, again I will take up Raghava Computers. We will take up Raghava Computers. It is composition. We can sell to anyone. Regular composition, unregistered dealer or consumer, to anyone in any state you can sell. Accept, and then sales. We are selling this one HP computers. Here, two HP computers, each 35,000, and then two keyboards, three numbers. It is 500 rupees. So this is the total amount. This is 18%. This is 12%. Okay. And now these are the same state. CGST, yeah, GST. Okay. Accept, accept, accept. So this is the number. Okay. Over. And then I will take up another third one. Third also we have three numbers. Another one TG. So he's a, see here, he's a consumer. Telangana only consumer. So sales, we are selling only one computer for 35,000 rupees and one keyboard for 500 rupees and one Dell mouse, one number for some 850, total 36,000. This is, so Telangana selling to Telangana. CGST, yeah, GST. That's over. Okay. Now, the entries are completed for Telangana. So from now onwards, you need not go to sales office. Just simply change it. You will get the registration name as well as you will get the windows to the character series also. So here we go to, now Telangana we completed. We'll go to Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh registration is selected. Okay. Now what is the series you require? Previously we did TG series, that is why by default we gave. Now we require AP series. Take AP series. System default. Whatever number is used already, from next number it will start. That is system default. See, AP registration, Andhra Pradesh registration, AP serial number. In the beginning only there will be little confusion, that you make it well. Okay. And next time onwards, we can use this, both will get registration name and series you will get. Now we will take up AP. We will take up AP. So here, AP, right? That is Ranga Electronics is there. Ranga Enterprises. So Andhra Pradesh, accept, then sales. So we are selling Dell laptop, two numbers, and HP computer, one number. So this is the total number we are selling. So the same state, Andhra Pradesh. So CGST, yeah, GST. Okay. Then accept. So number will be new reference AP number 1. Okay. Next number 2 we will take up again. Number 2 again there is one number 2. So this is Sitarama Traders regular Andhra Pradesh only sales. We are selling Dell laptop one number, and then here also we are selling HP computer one number. Okay, over. 10. This is also the same state. So CGST, yeah, GST. For example, so these two sales only there. Suppose again now we sell to some other state. You can sell, no other problem. So only any other state, even though we have registration, or any company, any state which we don't have any registration, to anyone we can sell. For example, we are taking Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu, Anipet Enterprises, we are taking non-effective enterprises, that is composition and registered. The composition is regular, registered sales to selling computers two numbers, 35 numbers, 35 rupees, 35,000. And HP keyboard, we are billing five numbers, 500 each, 2,500. So here Andhra Pradesh series, we are selling to Tamil Nadu. So if we pay CGST, it's not calculated. So we have to calculate IGST. Okay, IGST calculated, and then your reference number. So three numbers we create. Now, okay. Now we will change the name. Andhra Pradesh we completed. Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. We will go to Tamil Nadu. So if you see Tamil Nadu registration is Tamil Nadu registration is selected. Now we have to select sales because previously we did AP, so it is showing by default. So we are taking Tamil Nadu TN series and system default. See, Tamil Nadu series registration system default. We are taking the number, and now we take Tamil Nadu. Take Kalpana. Tamil Nadu, no? Tamil Nadu we did one thing. Check up. Telangana. Okay. Telangana we completed. Okay. Now this is again we have to change it because this is Tamil Nadu we are taking Tamil Nadu and Tamil Nadu series system default. So Tamil Nadu registration, Tamil Nadu series. So Tamil Nadu accept regular sales and then Dell laptop two numbers and then Dell mouse two numbers, three numbers. Okay. Then the same state. So CGST, GST. Okay. Accept Tamil Nadu one. Then Tamil Nadu will take up another one. Tamil Nadu, we have only one. So Tamil Nadu accept. This is composition dealer. Sales, we are selling HP computer one number and then HP keyboards two numbers we are selling. And now the same state, CGST, GST. Only two we sold. Now we can sell to other state also. Tamil Nadu registration, from Tamil Nadu to Karnataka we can sell. Karnataka means you take up here. Radhika Enterprises. We can take any state other than the same state. So unregistered sales, we are selling Dell laptop, one number, and Dell HP computer, one number we are selling. Then, so this is different state, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. So IGST we have to calculate and the same number. So we completed. Now we have still what is left of. So Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh completed. And we get Karnataka. So Karnataka registration is selected. Now we have to select the series. Karnataka series, KA series. On system default. So Karnataka registration, Karnataka series. Okay. We will take up KA, Kempegowda. We will take up Kempegowda, regular sales. We will say Dell laptop, two numbers. Then HP computers, for example, two numbers we sold under the same state, CGST, GST. Sometimes here, this is given now, and here, even though it's same state, we will not get the calculated amount. We will not get the amount. In such a case, we have to check up by mistake what we will do generally. When I'm getting many people, so by default, this original company is Telangana. So by default, the state will be taken as Telangana. So when you are creating this, here you will address everything. Here Telangana will be by mistake. What we do? Just we go on, we'll continue. We're leaving the Telangana SD. And if you do the Karnataka number also, what the system will take will be the state which is given. That we have to change. So by mistake, we left it. In such a case, that will not be calculated. So tax will not be calculated. Then you go. Then you go here. When you change this here like this, when you change, and here when you complete this, accept, here it will not change. Here it will not change. Everything will be there. That state will not be changed here by Telangana only will be there. Here also we have to change the state. When you state the complete this, change the state, the number will take, otherwise the number also we have to change. Then only the calculation will be made. Okay, this is completed. Okay, this is completed. So one number. This is one number. Again, Karnataka. So Karnataka, Kempegowda. Again, there is Karnataka one number on this there. Radhika will take up sales and keyboards, 3 numbers, and HP computer, 1 number, for example, 1 number, that's all. So the same state. So CGST, GST. Only 2 numbers we need. We'll take another one. Now we will take up interstate. That is from Karnataka to AP. Okay. AP will take Ranga Electronics. And then sales. Then Dell laptop, 1 number. Then HP computer, 1 number. And total, see, state is different from Karnataka to AP. So, IGST. Does not mean that we have to sell in the same state. So, then suppose from Karnataka, in AP, registration in the AP office, this stock is not available. So, from Karnataka, we will sell like this. It will not happen because rate will be transport gadgets should be more. Okay, new reference. Like this, we completed 3 vouchers or 3 sale vouchers for all the numbers. And after, see here, come to day book. So you see, all the numbers are shown. So PG, AP, all the numbers are shown. Okay, so this is all the, what you call this. These sales will be shown, they will not be shown separately for each registration. Registration numbers are shown here. We have given the details. That is the series number. In that you have the state. That's it. Show fully at one place. Okay. And if you go to, so here, but in the case of GST registration, the returns, we have to see the report separately and we have to file the returns also separately. So in Telangana, we have to clear the report, we have to file in Telangana. For Andhra Pradesh, we have to file in Andhra Pradesh. The particular sales. That's why we go to this one. We go to reports, more reports, and go to statutory reports, GST reports, GSTR1. First, it will show only for April. It will show first all registrations. All the registrations are shown in the table. Here also, it will show all the registrations. There are only 4 registrations. Each 3 will be 3 sales. Totally 12 vouchers are there. Okay, but this is to see just what is the total sales for all the 4. We can see. But when you are filing the return, we have to say the report for each registration separately. We have to file the return separately. So in that case, you have to take. So here, so to see separately, so go here and select this one. First Telangana, if you select, you go to Telangana, you see there are only 12 vouchers totally. So here 2 plus 1, 3 sales for Telangana registration, 3 sales. So out of 12, 3 sales, 3 vouchers related to this registration, but 9 vouchers are not related to this certificate. They are related to some other registration. Okay, now we select another one. Now go to Andhra Pradesh. Select Andhra Pradesh. See Andhra Pradesh registration. For that, there is no B2C. It's all B2B only. 3 numbers. So 3 numbers related to this registration. 9 numbers are not related to this registration. So total. Then you go to, for example, Karnataka. See, in Karnataka also 2 B2B, 1 B2C are there. Total 3. So 3 related to this registration, 9 not related to this registration. Total 12. Okay. Then go to another one, Tamil Nadu. So you go to Tamil Nadu. So you have to click. So like this, you can see separately, and you have to file a separate return for the respective registration. So this is how we will make the entries. And when you are making the entries, I'll show you voucher types. Go to vouchers. So this is sales we are giving. Similarly, we can give for purchases also. Here purchase, but one thing, but this circular invoice number you have to enter here. This will be taken by the system and you have to make the entry. That is, the entry will be, that is, when you purchase, we will get the ITC from this number only. That is the number given by the seller. But for the uniformity, because this one, if you select only one, if we give, it will be a problem for different registration. So we have to change this. We can take it as Andhra Pradesh AP/purchasing AP/PUR purchase/ So that will take the numbers. So like this, we can do for all other vouchers also. For all other vouchers, for example, receipt. So here also we can do. So state name slash receipt is RCP. Receipt to RCP you can do slash and payment. So you can take the number state slash receipt payment means PMD payment. Like that you can credit note CNR, credit note CN, debit note DN, and then contra CYN contra. Like that you can give the number, that is the name, and the number will be for each station separately. Like this sales, we can provide whatever voucher we are using. You can make the numbering series, then you can use it. Like that, we have to use. This is about the registration. And I told you why you require printing address. For example, the thing, see, this is Telangana. So this is the voucher. We go for printing. Entry not here. So here, how to print, then again, printer name is not asking, but I am not giving the printer. Okay, no problem. So here, if you give the printing, in the printing, it will show the total sales invoice number. Sales invoice. In that, seller is our name will be on the top. So here our name and our address will be in suppose if it is Telangana, so our Telangana address will be there. Okay, if you see the voucher for AP voucher, if you see for AP voucher, you will have the AP address in that on the voucher. It is not showing, so that I will show you later. Okay, so he is asking for printer. I have to disconnect the printer. Okay. Okay. So this is how, that is why you are giving the different addresses. You don't give the different addresses for all the registrations. For primary is Telangana, so Telangana address only will be given. It is not correct. Okay, so that's what you have to do. Okay. So this is about the multiple registrations in Cali train. Okay, so with this I close this session. In the next video, we will take up another important topic. Okay, with that, so all the best. Thank you.